Why do I need medical powers of attorney? A medical power of attorney or medical powers of attorney is a simple legal document allowing family members to communicate with healthcare professionals and make decisions regarding healthcare needs during a medical crisis when you can no longer make these decisions for yourself. This must include the HIPAA consent, healthcare information release, language for family members to communicate with hospitals and healthcare providers such as your doctors in times of medical crisis. These documents allow for family members to communicate with doctors and pharmacies regarding your medication and assisted care living facilities. Imagine how frustrating it would be for your spouse, children, and loved ones to not be able to communicate and find out how you are doing should you be needing to be hospitalized for any reason. We have frequently witnessed the negative consequences to our clients and family members when they do not have medical powers of attorney with HIPAA consent. There are specific statutory laws and forms to properly create medical powers of attorney with HIPAA consent. Also, provisions must be made for state and federal requirements such as Medicare and Medicaid. Some legal documents provide that a medical power of attorney only comes into effect only when the principal is unable to make or communicate responsible decisions concerning their health care because of incapacity or disability. Who determines and how it is determined that the principal is unable to make or communicate responsible decisions concerning their health care? This issue leads to confusion and ambiguity which will block your family members from being able to communicate regarding your healthcare status during times of medical crisis. This is exactly what you do not want. To avoid this confusion, we strongly recommend that your medical power of attorney be effective immediately upon signing to avoid the need to prove your inability to act before family members can communicate, call the hospital, or find out the status of your health during times of medical crisis. Alta Estate Services is ready to draft your medical power of attorney immediately. Contact us at 520-797-1400 to discuss any questions you may have and to get started.